here and I'm going to dig a hole. So about as deep as the pot. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of this organic plant food, which smells very ripe. I'm going to get a good heaping scoop of it, and I'm going to put it down in that pot. All right, down in that hole, sorry. Okay, so then I'm going to take my plant and I am going to give it a squeeze all the way around. And I'm going to grab it at its base, tip it upside down, and it should come right out. The next thing I'm going to do, and this one the roots aren't bad, but generally you want to take your fingers and kind of squeeze around on the roots and loosen them up, but this one's already loose. So I'm going to sit it down here, and it looks like it needs to go down a little bit further. So I'm going to pull this out to the side, and I'm going to dig down a little bit further. And it just happens that this plant that's in here is pretty well established, so I'm going to probably interrupt his roots a little bit to get this guy in here. So I'm going to pick him back up, put him down in here, give him a nice pressing, and then put all the soil around him. So, and then just keep pressing it down until it's nice and compact. And lay your tall plant around it and then go to the next. So I've got 3, so I'm going to kind of create a triangle. I'm going to do one here, and one back here. So let's do this one next. First you dig your hole. And since I've already done one, I kind of have an idea of how deep I want it. Then get your plant food. Nice smelly plant food. Put it down in the hole. Then take your plant, give it a nice squeeze around the edge, lift it out. This one has more roots, so I'm just going to break those roots up just a little bit. I mean, it's not as much roots as I'm used to seeing, so we'll put it down in the hole, put the soil around it. Got a lot more soil on this side, so I'm going to bring it over here. Unpack it down nice and firm. Then on the back, we're going to do the last one. This particular plant here, remember it likes to be dry and it likes to be hot. This is a great place for it because I don't tend to get out here and water this a lot, so we're going to see how it does. I have one on the front porch and it is working like a charm so far. So that is how you transplant plants from pots into your planter. And if these are trailing plants, so they will eventually trail over the side. And this one is what I call a tall plant on the website. So when you look at the directions on the side, it'll talk about tall plants and trailing plants. And I have no fillers in here because, as you can see, this guy, he hangs way over. So we really didn't need a filler. But I hope you have a great day, and thank you for coming to see us at Life on Summer Hill.